Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are all of you? I hope you all are fine. I am Kausar Liaquat, your math teacher from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. This is revision lecture number 1 of mathematics for the students of level 2. We will revise chapter 1 in upcoming lectures. In this lecture, we will revise addition of 0 and 1 and chapter 2. Our topic is addition with 0 and 1 and addition of multi-digit numbers. Before doing addition sums, we should revise definition of addition. What is addition? Addition means joining. Addition means combining. Addition means to put things together, यानी चीज़ों को इकट्ठा करना. Addition sums में हम different numbers को इकट्ठा करके आंसर लिखते हैं. What is zero? When we want to show nothing or no object, we use zero. जब हमारे पास कोई ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होगा तो उसके लिए हम zero यूज करेंगे. So zero means nothing. Here we have 2 stars in the first box and no star in the other box. We have 2 stars in all. So we can write 2 plus 0 equals 2. We have 1 sun in the first box and no sun in the second box. We have 1 sun in all. So we can write 1 plus 0 equals 1. We have 5 beads and no more bead. We have 5 beads in all. So we can write 5 plus 0 equals 5. In lecture 6, we have concluded when we add 0 to any number, the answer is the number itself. यानी 0 को जब भी किसी नंबर में ऐड करते हैं तो आंसर वो नंबर खुद ही होता है. उस नंबर में कोई चेंज नहीं आता. So we can write 6 plus 0 equals 6, 8 plus 0 equals 8, 69 plus 0 equals 69, 35 plus 0 equals 35, 142 plus 0 equals 142, 964 plus 0 equals 964. Addition with 1. Why we use 1? We use 1 to show a single object. किसी single object को represent करने के लिए हम 1 use करते हैं. Let's see what happens when we add 1 to any number. When we add 1 to any number, the answer is the next number. जब भी 1 को किसी नंबर में ऐड करेंगे तो हमने काउंट नहीं करना, हम उससे नेक्स्ट नंबर लिख देंगे. Here we have an example. 1 flower plus 1 flower. We have 2 flowers altogether. So we can write 1 plus 1 equals 2. And 2 comes after 1. Here we have 5 plums. 1 more plum. We have 6 plums altogether. So we can write 5 plus 1 equals 6. We have 6 flowers, 1 more flower. We have 7 flowers altogether. So we can write 6 plus 1 equals 7. From above examples, we can say when we add 1 to any number, the answer is the next number. So we can write 7 plus 1 equals 8, 4 plus 1 equals 5, 15 plus 1 equals 16, 75 plus 1 equals 76, 568 plus 1 equals 569, 346 plus 1 equals 347. Addition of one-digit numbers. 3 stones, 3 more stones. We have 6 stones altogether. So we can write 3 plus 3 equals 6. In this example, we have 7 plus 9 equals 16. How can we write this question in vertical form? In vertical form, we can write 7 plus 9 like this. Can we write 16 in the ones place of answer? No. Remember, 16 equals 110 plus 6 ones. So we will write 6 in the ones place of the answer. 1 will be carried out to the top of the tens column. Since there is no other digit in the tens column, so we will write 1 in the tens place of the answer. So 7 plus 9 equals 16. Addition of two-digit numbers with converting ones, page 30, question 7, add these, part D. Question is 24 plus 39. We start adding from ones column. In ones column, 4 plus 9 equals 13. So write 3 in the ones place of the answer and 1 to the top of the tens column. In tens column, we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. So write 6 in the tens place of the answer. So 24 plus 39 equals 63. Addition of three-digit numbers with converting ones, page 34. Question 1. Now add these, part H. Question is 724 plus 208. In ones column, we have 4 plus 8 equals 12. So write 2 in the ones place of the answer, 1 to the top of the tens column. In tens column, we have 1 plus 2 equals 3. So write 3 in the tens place of the answer. In hundred column, we have 7 plus 2 which is equal to 9. So write 9 in the hundred place of the answer. So 724 plus 208 equals 932. Addition of three-digit numbers with converting tens and ones, page 40, question 1. Complete these converting where necessary, part N. 384 plus 137. In ones column, 4 plus 7 equals 11. So write 1 in the ones place of the answer and 1 to the top of the tens column. Now in tens column we have 1 plus 8 plus 3 equals 12. So write 2 in the tens place of the answer and 1 to the top of the hundred column. Now in hundred column we have 1 plus 3 plus 1 equals 5. So write 5 in the hundred place of the answer. So answer for this problem is 521. Thanks for watching this video lecture. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Allah Hafiz.